There is a stock on NASDAQ right now that has been hiding in plain sight for years, and almost nobody has noticed. That is number 1 on this list. But before we get there, 4 more stories just as surprising. 5 NASDAQ stocks almost nobody is covering in June 2026. Not in the popular YouTube videos, not on Reddit, all verified before a single word was written. No company name or ticker until the full story is told. Let us start with number 5. So stock number 5. Think about a cancer researcher who needs to identify 30, 40, even 50 biological markers on a single cell at the same time. That was impossible until one company in California built a technology called full spectrum profiling, capturing the complete light spectrum from each cell. Universities, hospitals, and pharmaceutical companies worldwide use their machines. Over 3,600 instruments installed globally by end of 2025. Revenue $201 million. Time magazine named them to America's growth leaders for 2026. The stock once traded at $28 and now sits near $3.77. Ticker CTKB. The company is Cytek Biosciences Inc., listed on NASDAQ. And now moving to stock number 4. This one is about the man who created one of the most famous television networks in history, walked away from it, and then built something entirely new. Let me tell you that story. So stock number 4. Imagine being the creator of the Discovery Channel, one of the most recognized TV networks on Earth. Then in 2015 you ask, what if someone built the Netflix of documentaries? Just the best factual content on demand. That is what this person did. The platform now streams in over 175 countries. Revenue grew 40% to $71 million in 2025. The company pays a quarterly dividend, and the CEO has been buying shares personally. In 2026, they began licensing their library for AI training, a brand new revenue stream. Barrington analysts have a $5 target, stock near $2.50. Ticker CUI, CuriosityStream Inc., listed on NASDAQ. Stock number 3 made one move in April 2026 that shocked its entire industry. One deal, $880 million. Stock still under $2. Keep watching. So stock number 3. Real estate agents give 30% of every commission to their brokerage. A company in Toronto decided to change that entirely. Fully digital, no offices, lower splits, and an AI platform called Leo giving agents real-time support. 10 years later, over 30,000 agents across the US and Canada. Q1 2026, revenue up 32% to $465 million. In April 2026, they announced the acquisition of Re/Max Holdings for $880 million. Analysts rate it strong buy. Average target $5.90. Current price near $1.65. Ticker REAX. The Real Brokerage Inc. listed on NASDAQ. Stock number 2. A beauty company most men have never heard of, but millions of women use every day. 2 iconic brands. One stock. Under $2. Let me explain. So stock number 2. One brand is a dermatologist-founded skincare line recommended by doctors for over 30 years, sold in more than 70 countries. The other is a cult makeup brand loved by beauty editors and celebrities for its clean formulas and bold packaging. In 2021, someone brought both under one roof, took the company public on NASDAQ, and built a global beauty platform. Combined 2025 revenue was $272 million. Q1 2026 skincare revenue alone was $40 million. The global beauty industry is worth over $600 billion. Analyst targets range from $3 to $5. Current price near $1.50. And now here we are at stock number 1. I want you to pay close attention to this last one. The United States military has a problem that no bullet can solve, and a company in Tucson has been quietly building the answer for over 20 years. No ammunition, no explosives, just light. Here is the story. So stock number 1. Missiles cost millions of dollars each. Drones and incoming threats are getting cheaper and more numerous every single year. The math simply does not work for the military anymore. A company in Tucson, Arizona, founded in 2002, spent over 2 decades building the answer. Ultra-short pulse laser systems that neutralize targets at a fraction of conventional weapons cost. No bullets, no explosives, just directed energy. The US Army and Air Force have tested their technology. The company is completely debt-free. The global directed energy weapons market is projected to surpass $30 billion in the coming decade. The stock hit 63 cents last year and has been climbing back toward $2 on fresh defense contract interest. Ticker ARG. The company is Applied Energetics Inc., listed on NASDAQ. 5 NASDAQ stories nobody else is covering. Cytek Biosciences mapping cells with technology that changed research forever. CuriosityStream paying a dividend while licensing its library to AI companies. The Real Brokerage rebuilding an entire industry and acquiring Re/Max. Waldencast owning 2 beloved beauty brands at a fraction of their worth. And Applied Energetics building weapons that use light instead of bullets for a military that needs them. All high risk. Do your own research first. I am dropping a new video every single week with stocks nobody else is covering. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Hit like if this gave you something new today. And comment below which of these 5 had you never heard of before, and which one are you watching. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. These stocks carry extreme risk and you could lose all your money. Always consult a qualified financial professional before investing. Past performance does not guarantee future results.